information Alpha, time 15580 Zulu, wind 100 at 6, visibility 21, temperature 22, dew point 12, QNH 1022 landing runway 6, departing runway 6 advise on initial contact, you have information Alpha.
Golf Charlie Lima Echo Oscar Super, runway 6, taxi via Hotel, Lima, Kilo, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 6 via Hotel, Lima, Kilo, Golf Charlie Lima Echo Oscar Super. Golf Charlie Lima Echo Oscar Super, I'm sorry.
Thank you, good day, Kenya 762 Kilo Quebec. Nairobi ground, Kenya 7002, ready for pushback with information Alpha.
Kenya 7002, pushback approved, tail to the south. Golf Charlie Lima.
Pushback approved, tail to the south, Kenya 7002.
Golf Charlie Lima Echo Oscar Super, contact Nairobi Tower on 118.7. Contacting Nairobi Tower on 118.7, Golf Charlie Lima Echo Oscar Super.
Nairobi ground, Kenya 762, ready to taxi to runway 6 with information Alpha.
Kenya 762, runway 6, taxi via Kilo, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 6 via Kilo, Kenya 762. Thank you, good day, Qatar Cargo 102 Super. Nairobi ground, Kenya 999, ready for pushback with information Alpha.
Kenya 999, pushback approved, tail to the north.
Pushback approved, tail to the north, Kenya 999.
Nairobi ground.
Nairobi ground, Kenya 7002, ready to taxi with information Alpha.
Kenya 7002, runway 6, taxi via Juliet, Lima, Kilo, contact tower when ready. Kenya 13 Alpha, pushback approved.
Taxiing to runway 6 via Juliet, Lima, Kilo, Kenya 7002.
Pushback approved, tail to the north, Kenya 13 Alpha.
Nairobi ground, Sky Queen 01, ready for pushback.
Sky Queen 01, pushback approved, tail to the north.
Pushback approved, tail to the north, Sky Queen 01.
Nairobi ground, Kenya 13 Alpha, ready to taxi with information Alpha. Nairobi ground, Ethiopian 47 Alpha Kilo Heavy, ready for pushback with information Alpha.
Nairobi ground, Kenya 999, ready to taxi with information Alpha.
Ethiopian 47 Alpha Kilo Heavy, pushback approved, tail to the north. Kenya 999, runway 6, taxi via Juliet, Lima, Kilo, contact tower when ready. Kenya 13 Alpha, taxi to runway 6, contact tower when ready.
Pushback approved, tail to the north, Ethiopian 47 Alpha Kilo Heavy. Taxiing to runway 6, Kenya 13 Alpha.
Taxiing to runway 6 via Juliet, Lima, Kilo, Kenya 999. Nairobi ground, Sky Queen 01, request taxi to 6S at Terminal 1.
Sky Queen 01, taxi to Terminal 16 via Kilo, Lima, Juliet.
Taxiing to Terminal.
Mike Alpha Victor India Alpha, exit runway when able, contact ground on the taxiway.
Wilco, Mike Alpha Victor India Alpha.
Kenya 7002, stay in tension.
Nairobi Tower, Kenya 7002, ready for departure at runway 6, departing south.
Nairobi Tower, Kenya 762, ready for departure at runway 6, departing south.
Kenya 762, wind 010 at 3, runway 6, cleared for takeoff.
For takeoff, runway 6, Kenya 762.
Nairobi Tower, Kenya 999, ready for departure at runway 6, departing west.
Kenya 999, you're number 3 for departure.
Roger, Kenya 999.
Kenya 7002, line up and wait runway 6.
Line up and wait runway 6, Kenya 7002.
Kenya 762, contact Nairobi departure on 119.7. Kenya 7002, in 0103, runway 6, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 6, Kenya 7002.
Kenya 999, line up and wait runway 6.
Nairobi Tower, Kenya 13 Alpha, ready for departure in sequence at runway 6, departing east.
Kenya 7002, contact Nairobi departure on 119.7. Kenya 13 Alpha, hold short of runway 6. FAOR Tango Tower, Golf Uniform Sierra Mike November, ready for departure at runway 3 left, departing north.
Golf Uniform Sierra Mike November, wind calm, runway 3 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 3 left, Golf Uniform Sierra Mike November.
Speedbird 945 Super, exit runway when able, contact ground on the tax, Kenya 7002, maintain slowest practical speed.
Maintain slowest practical speed, Kenya 7002.
Wilco, Speedbird 945 Super.
Golf Uniform Sierra Mike November, cancel takeoff clearance, hold position.
Wilco, Golf Uniform Sierra Mike November.
Kenya 7002, speed at your discretion.
Roger, Kenya 7002.
$500, $400, $300, $200.
Golf Uniform Sierra Mike November, line up and wait runway 3 left.
50,
Line up and wait runway 3 left, Golf Uniform Sierra Mike November.
10,
Kenya 7. Golf Uniform.
OR Tambo Ground, Kenya 7002, request taxi.
Kenya 7002, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Pushback approved, Virgin 450 Heavy. Taxi to parking, Kenya 7002.
OR Tambo Ground, Speedbird 945 Super, request taxi to gate A5 at the Alpha Apron Terminal 1.
Speedbird 945 Super. Taxi to Alpha Apron Terminal 1 Gate A5 via Echo. Hold short of 3 left 21 right.
Taxiing to Alpha Apron Terminal 1 Gate A5 via Echo, will hold short of 3 left 21 right. Speedbird 945 Super.